Barely 24 hours ago, remember that a train had collided with a cylinder, an LPG cylinder, on the tracks in Kanpur. That led the intelligence agency to suspect if there was a terror conspiracy in this case to derail the Kanpur-Sabarmati Express train. According to the anti-terror squad, they expect and they suspect it could be the Khorasan module, because if sources are to be believed, ATS is investigating the angle that there could be an IS Khorasan module here that could be behind this. The boys basically are known to self-radicalize online or through other means and then carry out wolf attacks inspired from that radicalization. Attacks took place in the trains, remember, in Madhya Pradesh in 2017, and in the backdrop of Faratullah Gauri's videos as well, asking for the sleeper cells to be activated and have real incidents in India. Telangana ATS, after this, remember, based on the intelligence information of Telangana ATS, Uttar Pradesh ATS had also neutralized one of the module members. It was an encounter in Lucknow. Material was found as well. So there is a certain chain trail, there is a pattern that the agencies are looking at, because at that point there were explosive materials that were found, and why the officials suspect there could be lone wolf attacks, but at the behest of IS and ISI. I want to go across to Simar Chawla. And Simar, my colleague, was there on the ground, right there on the tracks, to understand what basically was happening. Simar, this is getting serious. Why do you think that the agencies are looking not perhaps someone who could be a miscreant, antisocial, but that this could be a certain pattern on the terror lines here? What are you picking up about the details?
Well, the incident that has happened in Kanpur clearly suggests that it might not be the work of any of the miscreants, because the incident was very serious in nature. Keeping a fill cylinder just in front of the train and also getting the explosives and the petrol on the track, it was a clear motive to burn the train and to maximize the harm to the people. So based on that info, all of the agencies were investigating on this very particular matter. What we have learned from our sources is that anti-terror squad ATS, the unit of Uttar Pradesh, is investing on this very particular angle, that it could be there could be a role of the Khorasan module, because we have seen in the past such kind of attacks has been carried out in the 2017 attacks of Madhya Pradesh, where the blast took place. So why does the agencies feel that it might be a lone wolf attack? Because the kind of the execution which was done in this very particular incident raises some alarm, raises some questions, because the execution was not planned in a well manner. The incident could have been serious in nature. Police is also and the agencies are also suspecting that there could be not much people involved in this very particular incident. Because it was not handled in a very professional manner. Keeping that in mind, the agencies have been looking into every aspect, whether it be the IB, whether it be the ATS, whether it be the NIA. They're all investigating this whole incident in their own direction. ATS, however, feels that the pattern of this very particular incident and also the proofs that they have collected from the spot clearly suggests that it might be an attack by a lone wolf who might be self-radicalized. Remember, if we talk about the module of this very particular, Khorasan module, there are people who carry out lone attacks. They're not well trained. They haven't, taken training from any of the module, but they are self-motivated. Sometimes they work for money. Sometimes they are self-radicalized.
Yes.
So police and investigating agencies are working on that angle.
Very interesting. Thank you for getting us this inside information, Simar. And it's not just a speculation, because there have been incidents. There's a certain pattern that the intelligence agencies are banking on this time as well. There could be money, there could be radicalization issues, and usually are wolf attacks inspired from different reasons. Thank you, Simar. Let's take a look at this report coming in. Was there a plot to sabotage? Was there an attempt to derailment? Remember, while there have been incidents that must be investigated on different lines about what is leading to derailment, but has there been a terror aspect to this as well? Let's take a look at this report on what happened in Kanpur and why are the agencies looking at from a module angle.
Major disaster averted in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. A passenger train hit an LPG cylinder placed on the railway tracks on Sunday. The loco pilot who saw the cylinder applied the emergency brakes, softening the impact. The cylinder was thrown off the tracks.
ये विजुअल्स अगर आप देखेंगे, यही वो सिलेंडर है भरा हुआ जो कल रात को कालिंदी एक्सप्रेस से टकराया और करीबन 50 मीटर तक घसीटते हुए ट्रैक से बाहर हो गया। हालत अगर आप इसकी देखेंगे तो देखेंगे कि कितनी बुरी तरीके से इसका इम्पैक्ट था कि लोहे की बॉडी जो है वो अंदर जा चुकी है और इसमें अच्छे खासे डेंट आपको देखने को मिलेंगे।
अभी हमारे सभी वरिष्ठ अधिकारियों ने मौका का मुआयना किया है और हम लोग चीजों को गंभीरता से देख रहे हैं।
Alongside the damaged LPG cylinder, the police recovered a bottle filled with petrol, matchboxes and other suspicious items from the area. The foiled attack comes days after a video emerged of Faratullah Ghori, the alleged terrorist who planned the 2002 Akshardham blast and 2024 Bengaluru Rameshwaram cafe blast, asking sleeper cells on video to carry out attacks on trains across India.
जो नए और कम तजुर्बेकार साथी हैं वो अपनी कार्रवाइयों का आगाज दुश्मन के खिलाफ इख्तिसादी जंग के जरिए कर सकते हैं। हमलो नकल के जराए यानी ट्रांसपोर्ट को तबाह करना, रेलवे लाइन को सबोताज करना, इस तरह के अमल से दुश्मन को इख्तिसादी नुकसान भी पहुंचेगा और इनके अंदर अफरा तफरी फैलेगी।
A political controversy has erupted after government sources sought to blame Rahul Gandhi for the foiled attack. The leader of the opposition had met a few railway employees and interacted with trackmen earlier this month. Government sources claimed Rahul Gandhi exposed sensitive information to anti-national elements with this video.
ये संयोग नहीं है, प्रयोग है। रेल के चूक से दुर्घटना नहीं हुई है, ये साजिश चल रही है। एलओपीजी का जुबान बंद, इस पर अखिलेश जी का जुबान बंद, क्योंकि साजिश करने वाले एक खास समुदाय के होंगे, आ जाएगा।
Opposition leaders lashed out at the centre and questioned the surge in railway accidents in recent years.
रेल मंत्री या रेलवे विभाग की हालत इस समय ये हो गई है कि ट्रेन जो है वो जमीन पे ज्यादा चल रही है, पटरी पे कम चल रही है। हर दिन कोई ना कोई दुर्घटना की खबर आती है। एक ही ट्रैक पर दो ट्रेन, तीन ट्रेन आ जा रही है। ये कैसे हो रहा है?
A few weeks ago, Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav had claimed a disturbing trend in railway incidents and assured a probe in each and every case.
Each and every incident हम लोग डिटेल्ड इंक्वायरी कर रहे हैं और कई इंसिडेंट्स में बहुत ही एक वेरी डिस्टर्बिंग ट्रेंड सा दिख रहा है जिसको सीरियसली लेना चाहिए।
At least 6 cases were reported in the last 2 months where trains hit objects placed on railway tracks. An investigation is underway to find if there's a conspiracy to target train services. With Simar Chawla in Kanpur, Bureau Report, India Today.